Namaste students. Today our next topic is procedure for writing chemical formula. Procedure for writing chemical formula. Procedure means correct way for doing something. Here, correct way for doing something, that is writing chemical formula. How can we write chemical formula? As we know that ions and their types, cations and anions. By using cations and anions, we will write the chemical formula of ionic compound. So there are different steps for writing chemical formula. First of all, we write symbol of ions. First of all, we write symbol of ions. Then after, we write charges present on ion without indicating their positive and negative sign. Third point, if common factor present in ions, this should be removed. And at last, we crisscrossed the charges of ions and we get chemical formula. Dear students, different steps for writing chemical formula. Firstly, we write symbol of ions. Then after, we write charges present on ion without indicating their positive or negative sign. If common factor present in ions, this should be removed. And fourth point, we crisscross the charges of ions and then we get chemical formula. So we can write different chemical formula using these methods. Examples: chemical formula of sodium chloride. So for writing chemical formula, first step is we have to write the symbol. For sodium ion, symbol Na, and for chloride Cl, and it carry charge +1. We have to write here without indicating their sign 1, and chloride have minus, so it has only one negative charge. So Na 1, Cl 1. Then after, if common factor is present, here is no common factor, 1 is to 1, that is 1. So at last we crisscross, that means the charge present in sodium goes to chlorine, and for chlorine goes to sodium. So we write the formula of sodium chloride NaCl. Second one, chemical formula of calcium carbonate. We know that symbol of calcium Ca, and for carbonate CO3. Here charges on it, that is calcium is +2 and carbonate is -2. We write without indicating their positive and negative sign 2, 2. Here common factor is 2, that's why it should be written as 1:1. So this one crisscrossed, for calcium goes to carbonate and for carbonate to calcium. That's why the chemical formula of calcium carbonate CaCO3. Third, chemical formula of sodium oxide. Students, for sodium we write symbol Na, and for oxide O. Sodium carry +1, so write 1, and for oxide 2 minus, so 2. Common factor is not present, so next step we crisscross their charges. So this charges of oxygen goes to sodium, and charges of sodium goes to oxygen. That's why we get Na2O. So by these methods we can write the chemical formula of ionic compounds. Next one topic is changes, that is physical change and chemical change. In previous class, we know that physical change is that change in which no new substance is formed, while in chemical change new substance is formed. It is temporary. Physical change is temporary and chemical change is permanent. Physical change is usually reversible. That means it can come back to their original position. Just for example, water change into vapor and vapor come back to their water, that is liquid form. And chemical change usually irreversible. That means milk convert into curd. That means curd cannot come back to their original position, that is milk form. So physical change is reversible while chemical change usually irreversible. The changes may be slow, fast. So dear students, you have to solve activity 2 in the chapter 3rd and do practice for writing chemical formula. It is your homework. So next topic we will discuss about chemical equation. Thank you.